What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be drawing Stegosaurus from Jurassic World. So, this is going to be a full body one, because I thought it would have been weird just drawing his head, and you wouldn't have the thing that makes the Stegosaurus so cool is all the spikes coming down the back. So the head's quite small in this one, so I'll have to probably zoom in for you, and we won't get as much detail in the face, but we can get the body in. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. We're going to start right over here, right? So his head's tiny compared to his body, right? Real small. Okay, so we start with the eye. We just start with this sort of curved line like so. You're looking for this kind of lemon-like shape. Okay, like that, right? And then his iris comes around in there. And I think their pupils are just normal, so we'll just add like a black pupil just inside here. Okay. So then he's got a frowning sort of section, kind of like all the other dinosaurs. So it goes like down this way. Comes down around his eye, and then it hooks up this way, and comes down across the top of the head, and kind of around his nose, right? And this can be sort of wrinkly stuff all on his nose there. And then we have his nostril just in here, just this kind of black section there. You got some skin coming around it and stuff. And then some wrinkles around the eyes. Like so. Right, so then side of the head, right, the big jaw comes down this way. Curves around. Goes underneath. And then down towards the chin. There. See a little bit of the jaw on the other side as well. So then this beak, so he's got like this bony sort of beak sort of thing going on. Right, comes back. The mouth is kind of open here. The top comes down. Up. You can see the inside of the mouth there. Maybe some tongue. Right, and then the beak comes up right close to the nose, and then down there, and the other side down here. Right, so that, and this is like a bony type of beak, so it has all this texture and stuff on it. Then the other side of the nose goes up the head here. We got some wrinkles and stuff coming down the face. And then some more sort of bags underneath the eyes. Okay. Then we keep going. So we got another eyebrow just on the other side of the head. And then we got like some wrinkles just coming across here. Coming along the top of the head and stuff. And then his head will keep going. And this is where we start to meet the spikes, right? So top of the head, and then the neck starts to go down this way. Right, we got like some necklines that go this way. So we got this big line of spikes that go all the way around, right, his back. So the top of the back is like here, real big. Okay, and then we have like layers of these spikes now. So 2 layers. And so first we go kind of down and then up. And we start to get big ones, right? So here. They just sort of sit on the back. Okay, and then the next one. There's some in behind these, but we'll just draw these ones first. Big one here as well. And then they go down his tail, right, which goes this way. And we have another there. And they get smaller then on the tail. There, right, and there's a couple more in behind, right, so second layer. And so just like in here. Can't really see that one. Like some more inside here. Another one there. So then the tail keeps going, but we got like all these spikes, right? So say first spike. Down there. The bottom of the tail is like here. And then we have a second spike. There. Okay. And then the spikes from the other side of the tail stick off here. That, right? And then so we'll just close off some of these gaps where the like his skin is just there, right? And then we got to do the legs. So we got like a big hind leg and a big belly, right? So we'll do the big hind leg first. So this comes down this way, right? And the front of it is like here. This is like his knee. And the calf muscle goes down like so. Then we've got these big toes, kind of like elephant toes. 3 of them. And then the back of the foot, right? So these are like nails. And you'll have like wrinkles on top and stuff. So, and then we got this big belly, goes the whole way down to there, and there's like some more wrinkle lines and veins and stuff. And then his shoulder just here, so we got like big shoulder. And then this leg sticks out the front. Here, and again we've got like these toes, right? So they go back up, nails in them there. And remember, if I go too fast, pause the video, right? I think there's like another section just here in this. Right, we just add some wrinkles on these toes. We should see a fourth. Should we have 1, 2, 3, 3, maybe one more? You can just see one more nail kind of sticking out there. Right, and then blah, blah, blah. And then some his front leg there, and then his stomach becomes like his chest, right? So we got like some chest muscles coming around here. And then the back of the leg there. So around again, 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 nails. You just add some lines for the bones of his feet, and then we can have another one here. Can we see 3 on this one? I think goes around 1, 2. Oh, missed one. Sticking out here. Okay, don't like that. I'm just going to fix that, right? I'm just going to make it kind of flat. So I just erased that. I'm going to let it dry. And while I'm letting it dry, I'm going to add some texture, right? So lots of sort of skin lines and stuff. So lots of these sort of broken lines and textures following the direction of his skin, right? So like say his wrinkles would be growing around his neck and all this. And then down as well. So you're going to cross and down. So you're doing kind of these vector lines. So you're just trying to give it a bit of three-dimensionality without having to actually shade, or although I will do a little bit of shading as well. But look, you're just doing these crisscross broken lines. Yeah, and it just gives it a bit of form without having to, you know, shade it or do any of these complex things. You're just following around like tubes. So see them going around. Okay. Right, and then I will add like some texture onto these as well. Right, and then I'll just finish this part of his foot. I just didn't like the way I drew it. That's a bit better. And then if you want, thickening up edge lines on drawings like this can sometimes help. So I'll just do that now. Right, okay. I think that's the best I can do. Stegosaurus from Jurassic World. Hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.